So we were supposed to go to the zoo today, but then after reaching there we realized because of COVID they are only taking online booking, and we had not done the online booking. So instead of that we are going to the beach, and we did the online booking for day after tomorrow. So you can see Burj Al Arab, and this is one of the tallest hotels in the world. It is built on a small artificial island close to Jumeirah Beach, and this hotel resembles the shape of a sail of a boat. So there are two beaches over here side by side. This is Jumeirah Beach, and then on the right side there's Kite Beach. We are just going to eat something, going to find a place to eat further on in Jumeirah Beach, and after we are done then we are going to go for a swim to Kite Beach. We found this place called Fish and Grill on Jumeirah Beach. They had burgers, samosas, sandwiches, turkey sandwich, salmon sandwich, a lot of sandwiches, a lot of burgers. They also had like a fish platter. They had salads, a lot of stuff. And I would like to review in short saying that the food was good. So now we are heading towards Kite Beach after eating something at Jumeirah Beach. While passing by in the car when we were searching for parking, I saw both the beaches and I liked Kite Beach better, and that's why I decided to go for a swim in Kite Beach. I seen pictures of Kite Beach where people are flying a lot of kites and the sky was full of kites, but today there was nothing. There was only one kite somewhere during sunset, one and only one. But otherwise it was nice. The water was nice and blue, clean. It was a public holiday. It was National Day, and that's why it was a bit crowded. One good thing here is that you'll find changing rooms and showers in all the beaches. I had gone to La Mer, and I had been to Ras Al Khaimah, and this is my third beach in Dubai, Kite Beach. There were showers on the beach, and there were also changing rooms. So that's one good thing. So after you go to the sea and you're all sticky, you don't have to wait to reach home to have a bath or a shower. You can just have a shower on the beach itself. So this was Jumeirah Beach and Kite Beach. The weather was nice. This was in the month of November, so it wasn't hot. The water was really cold. It was not too cold, but it was nice and pleasant. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be back with many more. See you all soon.